Welcome to Wordscience. Today we will learn about a very important word, agreement. So, what is an agreement? An agreement is when two or more people say yes to the same thing. It is like making a promise together. When people agree, they are saying yes together. Both people want the same thing and they both feel happy about it. Agreements are like promises. When you make an agreement, you are promising to do something or to follow a plan. People make agreements every single day. You might agree with your friend about which game to play, or your family might agree on what to have for dinner. Agreements can be spoken or written. Sometimes we just talk and agree. Other times, we write it down on paper. Let me give you an example. When you buy a toy, you make an agreement. You give money to the shopkeeper, and the shopkeeper gives you the toy. Both of you agree to this exchange. Here is another example. When you share a snack with your friend, you both agree to share. This is also an agreement. An agreement means both people agree. If only one person says yes, it is not an agreement. Both must say yes. Agreements help people trust each other. When you keep your agreements, people know they can trust you. Agreements can be big or small. Some agreements are very important, and some are simple and easy. A big agreement might be when adults sign papers to buy a house or start a business. These are serious and important. A small agreement might be when two kids agree to play together at the park. It is simple but still important. Agreements are very important in our lives. They help us understand what to do and what to expect. Agreements help solve problems. When people disagree, they can talk and make an agreement to fix the problem. Agreements help us keep our promises. When we agree to something, we try our best to do it. Agreements make things clear. Everyone knows what they should do, so there is no confusion. Who can make agreements? Anyone can. Kids, adults, friends, and even strangers can make agreements. Friends make agreements all the time. They agree on games to play, places to visit, and things to share. Adults also make agreements. They agree at work, at home, and in many other places. What happens if there is no agreement? People might feel confused or upset. They might not know what to do. So, how do we make an agreement? It is very simple. First, you talk about it. You share your ideas and listen to the other person. Next, you say yes. If both people like the idea, they say yes together. Finally, you shake hands or sign a paper. This shows that you both agree and will keep your promise. Agreements are fair. They should be good for everyone, not just one person. Agreements help us work together. When we agree, we can do great things as a team. Agreements are everywhere. We see them at home, at school, in stores, and at work. Remember Wordscience. We are here to help you learn new words in a fun and easy way. Keep learning more words with us. Every word you learn makes you smarter and stronger. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.